What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today's going to do a talking review of the Stihl GTA 26 mini chainsaw. Now some people call it gun improvement because, well, that's what they call it exactly, which it's definitely not much we expected this thing exactly, which I hope at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which but it will, and I hope at some point this thing will get used at some point because you can see, this is at least in 2022, which but I got this in 2023, so it released in October 2022, which is definitely how much we expected this thing exactly, which is, well, here's the thing though exactly. This thing got used almost quite a bit at times, you can see, because you can see it's got, like, you can see this thing got used almost quite a bit. And not surprisingly, you can see is that all the equipment you have to store indoors. You can't leave them outside because it would just get cold inside the motor. You can see. I think this is a brush motor. I think because, well, stuff how much really expected and things like that. Which I really hope some point this thing will be used, if this weekend or next weekend or in this year. It will get used at some point, either this month or next month. I don't know exactly, but I'm hoping some point this thing will get used at some point. But nonetheless, this is a pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. I hope at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which it will. It will get used again at some point this year because you know how expected this thing is. Which it's definitely what you expected this machine exactly because not only does the way it's acting on this machine exactly because it's a pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. I do like this thing a lot because you see how much you expected this thing exactly. And one more thing, exactly. When you try to use it, you have to push this down and then get the trigger because if you don't, it won't do anything until you push this button right now. It doesn't matter which way it goes. I like this got a battery indicator. Like here you can see, so you can see how much juice is left on the battery exactly. And this just comes with a tune-up battery, you can see, because you can see how much it's better. So I do hope some point you can see will get used either this year, this month, or next month. I don't know exactly, but this is a pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. I do like the same one.